if you don't wear your mask properly, it's almost as if you are not wearing a mask. Because if the mask is hanging down, it is not covering your nose, then the virus can enter your nose and the mask is not going to protect you. If the mask is not tightly fitted around your face, then air can move in from the side of the mask when we breathe in, and with that air, virus can also go inside your nose and mouth and cause infection. Therefore, the steps of how to wear a mask properly, how to make sure that it's tightly around your face, and how to take off a mask properly are also very, very important. And this is something that we must become very used to and practice in our day-to-day life.
2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी, ये सिर्फ नारा नहीं, हमारे जीवन की विचारधारा होनी चाहिए। इस विचारधारा को अपनाकर खुद को सुरक्षित रखें, अपने परिवार वालों को सुरक्षित रखें और अपने आसपास वालों को सुरक्षित रखें।
Namaste. We all know that coronavirus spreads via respiratory route. Hence, wearing a mask is the key to prevent transmission and to save lives. So let us now discuss how to wear the mask correctly and how not to wear it. So now let us see the various kinds of masks that are available in the market. To name a few, I shall be discussing 3 of these. This one is a conventional triple layer mask. This can either be a medical mask like this or it may be made out of cloth. So a triple layer mask means that the mask is essentially going to have 3 layers. The inner side and one outer side and one middle protective layer. There are elastics for ear support. The important bit is the nose clip. So here there is a metal strip which molds around your nose to take the shape of your face. If that is not available, this mask will not provide a seal and it will not be adequate for protection from coronavirus. This is an N95 mask. This is the ideal mask for protection against coronavirus. This mask must be worn by any person who is taking care of COVID patients, especially for healthcare workers. These are the masks which have an expiratory valve. These masks must be avoided in all purposes, as any symptomatic person wearing it would end up spreading the disease more than giving protection. Before wearing a mask, one must ensure that the hands are clean. Hands have to be washed with soap and water, or they must be cleaned with an alcohol-based hand rub for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Pour an adequate amount of hand rub in your hand and spread it all over. Rub the fronts and the backs of the palm. Join the fingers and clean the knuckles and repeat the step both sides. Now interlace your fingers and clean between the webs. Clean your thumb and clean the fingernails, followed by the wrist. These steps ensure that the hand is cleaned properly from all surfaces. While wearing a triple layer mask, inspect the mask for any tears or damages. Identify the inner side of the mask, which is usually white. The metal strip of the mask should always be towards the nose. Place the mask on the face, covering the nose, mouth and chin. Now pinch the metal strip so that it molds to the shape of the nose. Now make sure that there are no gaps. It's important to know that the mask should not be reused if it's visibly soiled. Do not pull down the mask while talking or coughing. Do not touch the front surface of your mask, and in case you accidentally do, make sure that you clean your hands. Do not leave your mask at any place. The mask must fit well and cover the mouth, nose and chin at all times. Keep it in a dry, clean bag if it needs to be reused. Clean the hands before wearing the mask and after taking it off. Discard the mask in a closed bin or in a yellow bag. Cloth masks must be washed thoroughly with soap and water or in boiling water and sun-dried before reused. So wearing a mask is not enough. We must know that to fight coronavirus, we must have a comprehensive approach, including keeping our hands clean, not touching our face and mouth again and again, avoiding going to crowded places, and as much as possible, please maintain social distancing.
Wear your mask properly and you will be protected from COVID-19.